What you are about to witness is my personal workflow for creating Embosser-ready math materials. This is by no means an end-all-be-all tutorial. It's a glimpse into the process that has worked extremely well for my department and the students we serve.
Wow.
First, let's start by introducing the programs we will be using. First and foremost, Microsoft Word. Next up, we have Tiger Software Suite by View Plus and MathType by Wirus. These are add-ins for Word, and when installed will show up as a tab option within the program. Last but not least, we will show you an advanced method using Equatio. Let's jump in. We find our very tired TVI or alt media specialist working very late on a Monday night preparing a braille math worksheet.
Are you serious?
They have the print document up for reference, as they build the Embosser-ready Word version in a separate window. The title info and first problem graph are already done. Let's look in as the second and third problem are being worked out. The simple text for problem 2 is added. Next comes the diagram. To start, we go to the Insert tab, then Shapes, then Isosceles Triangle. There are a ton of options for pre-made shapes and designs. Next, we size the object and place the shape in the desired spot of our document. When the object is selected, you will see a highlighted Format tab that we will use next. Let's start with having no fill and most importantly making sure the line is black. We go back into the same menu and go to Weight. This will control the intensity of the braille dots that make up these diagrams. There is a good range to choose from, but for our diagram we will stick with 3. Next, let's get that line by going back to Insert, and then Shapes again and grab the line object. We place it in the middle and repeat the process we used for our triangle. We do the same to add a small square to that middle line and place it. If you're a perfectionist, things like a line not placed perfectly might keep you up at night. Let's get our labels on next. We add a text box by going once again to Insert, Text Box, and we will choose the simple text box. We add the desired text and leave a little room for the braille. We will have to make minor adjustments after the translation anyways. The great thing is, once you created a shape or desired text box, a simple copy and paste will do rather than going through the menus every time. For these we will take out any outline. Now here is the magic of MathType for adding equations that will translate into Nemeth. We will click on the MathType add-in tab and open the input window. You are immediately put into an edit window with an entire collection of math expressions to build with. Each one will have the title pop up when the focus is on it. Let's write our problem out, and we will add whatever function we can't type, like the square root function. Once we are done, we can go up to File or use the hotkey command Ctrl F4 to close and add to document. Don't pay any attention to the plus, that should be an equal sign. This AT professional might be losing it.
Are you serious?
Now it's Tiger's turn. Let's hit the Tiger add-in tab. It is very important to have the basic settings in play for how the program will translate. Before we go any further, let's check those out. We will open the profile named Nemeth to make sure everything is correct. Default language is English, check. Default braille type is grade 2, check. And math braille type is Nemeth. We are ready to see some magic. Let's go back up to the Tiger tab and translate document.
Boom!
There it is. After some minor adjustments, you have an Embosser-ready math worksheet with diagrams included. We are ready to emboss right from Word.